Alright, you guys, I made it back to the Dollar Tree. Actually, I made it to the Mega Dollar Tree. So here is the aisle pan out. I'm in their kitchen aisle, which is like stocked all the way to the end. So the Mega, the Mega Dollar Tree, I call it, is because this used to be a 99-cent store, and some of the 99-cent stores are turning into Dollar Tree. Anyway, here is some dishes. Of course, they're all $1.25 here. Now this blue one I haven't seen. They have another one. So kind of nice. They have the bowls too. All of them are $1.25. Are these melamine? Yeah. That's not. You have your lemon in the clear plate. So perfect if you're someone who's just moving, starting from the beginning or over. Just need a few things. Perfect. $1.25 all the mugs. But yeah, they're kind of just like the same stuff. You have monogram mugs too at the bottom. I'll pan in so you can see. Live in the moment, stay a while. These are kind of like cute coffee mugs, I think. And we have all the water bottles. I just never seen it like so stocked. I'm used to the tiny Dollar Trees that are kind of like messy, but this one is really good at facing, you know what I mean? Making sure they have I like that. Just one more cup, take it to go, sit back and relax. And you get three in there. Those are $1.25. If you have like Bluey and stuff for $1.25, okay. So this is cheaper than Burlington. They have little snack containers as well. $1.25 Paw Patrol. Take it to go. Okay, these are kind of cool. I'd never seen that. And this you could put like your picture, right? Design your own mug. And then some plasticware here. Lunch storage tower. Okay. And they come in different color options. Sandwich ones. Parchment. Oh, you get 100? This is perfect for when I'm making patties. Because they do stick. It's kind of a pain in the butt. Did you see this one? The squares.
Huh. They got the papers. That's neat. I've never seen the papers.
That's what I just said. Yeah, we're like, we never seen those.
Yeah, I know.
And then these are $1.75. It looks like the foil. Well, those went up in price, but okay. Still cheaper than Walmart. I mean, you get two.
So I'm like zoning out. I'm working on the thumbnails. But...
Okay, over here, Tupperware storage. These are pretty good for grapes, strawberries. I have a few of those. Or if you want tea, you could drink tea out of them or lemonade. But we got takeaways. The lid down here, like for lunch, the dividers. You get two in there.
She wants a lingerie bag. I got a hamper.
Mason jars. You got these tiny ones too. And then you could make this into chalk if you really want to. This with the locking lid. These are all $1.25. The clear bowls. Bee wine. All I need is mascara and wine. Just kidding. I drink wine in yoga pants, huh?
Okay.
Just kidding. I do yoga.
I drink wine naked.
You had me at Merlot, so you know all this fun stuff. They got the bee, sunflower, lemon, and then Happy Spring here.
Beer counts as wine, right?
This one has like a little dimple right here. And then you have your margarita glasses, which are back. These are actually pretty nice for the Dollar
Those are
Tree.
nice. Heck
They're
yeah,
like
those have
so
things
thick.
for those
Yeah,
things.
I know. Now if they had the blue ones.
Ooh, the blue stain on the
Didn't
glass is really
them
pretty.
have? Didn't they have that one time? Large beer or root beer mugs, and martini glasses, wine. So yes, this is their kitchen. Then I'll just go back here. And this is all like their soaps and everything. Yeah, like a laundry. This is like the cleanest one I've seen. I think because, like I said, the shelves are so nicely. Isn't this the best put together one I've seen?
It really is, because we usually go to them and they're like a wreck.
Got mop brooms. What is this one? Multi-purpose mop pads. Okay. Yeah, so you got like your toilet paper, napkins, all down this aisle. You know how many times Dollar Tree saved my butt on paper bags because you didn't want to go to Walmart. Again, I just did a video kind of like on candy and like food, but I mean, you have all the ramen you have like the yakisoba cheddar cheese, you got teriyaki beef, the spicy sriracha shrimp ramen bowl, hot and spicy. Like there's just so much to choose from here. They do have your beans though, they're $1.25. Red, black, pinto beans, long grain, and like many options on like rice, which I was kind of amazed when I saw that, but I'll put that video at the end. And like cereal. This is their food aisle. And look, we got the Hawaiian punch, peace teas in here cold. I like how they did incorporate, I like this actually, Icelandic, again, best water. We want some ice cream. We got Twix. Twix cookies and cream. I don't think I ever had that one. The mini chocolate chip cookie dough. These are so funny, like the mini ones, right?
Yeah, I never seen it. But actually, you know what? A long time ago, I went to that building that was Cold Stone University, and they made tons of these.
Oh yeah, the
and they
mini
just
ones.
came out for free. Yeah, because that's how they practice making ice cream.
I don't think that place exists, does it?
Yeah, nice.
The big burrito, red hot, chicken empanada. They got bean and cheese burrito down there. Actually, kind of craving a bean and cheese burrito. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm not going to Taco Bell anymore. I ain't not spending $3 on a freaking bean and cheese burrito. Taco Bell, just like make it at home. Yes, look at all the cool stuff they have. Ice cream. It looks like these are $2.25 energy drinks. Those are new for me. And here's like their doggy area. There's quite a variety for your pet. Oh, you know what's funny about this? They have this in Walmart. Remember how much this was in Walmart in the seasonal section? And I didn't know Dole had like dog treats. So they're like $3 or something.
I'm sure it was quite a bit. Everything for dogs seems.
But they had that at Walmart. So it's cheaper here, yeah. Dog stoppers, like gob stoppers. How funny.
I wonder if he would have eaten those.
I don't know. They're made in the USA. But I think these are funny. Pop Tarts. All natural, vegan, and made in the USA. Peanut butter flavor.
But he never liked weird.
Oh, look, they have a slow bowl. Kind of like a slow bowl. That's kind of cool. Okay, in the car department, Gunk Getter. You know, slime putty. It's pretty much just like putty. Not as stretchy though. Just to get off all your gunk. It's funny. A cleaning gel. Tons of dog toys. Look at this Reese's one. With a funny, more different color on the bowls. Now I wish they had a big craft section, but their craft section's just like the regular Dollar Tree. Just kind of like a repeat. But look, baby, they have large envelopes if we need them.
Oh, nice.
We're always trying to find those.
Look at their shipping section. Look at they have the good tape.
He's like,
the cord
shipping.
In it, the string in it. They got all kinds of good stuff. And that's crazy because Walmart, it's like $3 or $4 for tape.
I know.
I wish they had good box. What do they do that box? Huh.
Scented. There's just so much stuff here. And then, you know, you got papers, filing, notepads. That's all the fun, like, summer stuff back there on the wall. And they do have fun socks here. I have yet to find, like, the boxers. They got muffin. Oh my gosh, my daughter would wear those. And all your paints in here. And the canvases. Acrylic board at the bottom. So yeah, I'm trying to see. They don't really have a lot of home decor. I'm gonna go by there. Thankful, just a few, and then, like, you know, just their mirrors that they always have, like the black and gold one. You can also spray paint these too. So I do want to say, in like the mega Dollar Tree, there's just like more food, and then I thought this was Peppa Pig. It's not. I don't know who they are. Called Waggles. Never heard of them. Burger. Stretchy burger. Ooh, look at all these Arthur books. Sharks. They got gorillas. Like, even their book department is straight. Babe. Their book department is straight.
It's, wow, it's like laid out like a crush.
I know. We're just like, whoa. Alright, you guys. This might do it. I didn't see any, like, home decor. But yeah, sometimes it's like a hit or miss with that stuff. Oh, I mean, the kitchen, but, like, you know, the home decor, like the 99-cent store used to have. They do have some grills on top. And the bug zapper. So funny. Alright, you guys. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Please stay safe. And I will see all of you in the next one. Look at the party stuff. Tiki torches are only $3. I mean, here's our car aisle again. More stuff. Pan out. Shampoo. I'm trying to find their makeup aisle, which I think I might have passed. This is like root touch up. You know, the L'Oreal root touch up, it does like rub off if you scratch your head or something. Or I haven't seen it like sweat down because I hadn't used it for roots. Because I went to go get my roots done and a little trim, and that was $200, and I was never again am I doing that. I'm just gonna dye my hair black on top. I was like, that's ridiculous. Okay, I'm gonna keep walking. This is all deodorant. It's kind of like a dupe of Old Spice. Call Lucky.